Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tutorialverse Hub. Today, we're tackling a problem that almost everyone has faced at some point: stinky shoes. Whether it's from a tough workout, a long day at work, or just your favorite pair of sneakers getting a little too much love, that unpleasant odor can be really persistent. A lot of people reach for sprays and deodorizers, which often just mask the smell. But what if I told you there's a simple, cheap, and incredibly effective scientific solution sitting right in your kitchen pantry? That's right, we're talking about good old baking soda, or as chemists know it, sodium bicarbonate. So, why does baking soda work so well? It's all about chemistry. The bad smells in our shoes are usually caused by bacteria. These tiny microorganisms thrive in the warm, dark, and moist environment inside your footwear. As they feed on the sweat and dead skin cells from your feet, they produce acidic waste products, and it's these acids that are responsible for that funky smell. This is where sodium bicarbonate comes in as our hero. Sodium bicarbonate is a weak base, which means it has a pH level higher than 7. When it comes into contact with the acidic, smelly compounds in your shoes, it works to neutralize them. Think of it like a seesaw. The acids have tipped the pH balance way down, and the baking soda comes in to lift it back up to a neutral, odor-free level. It doesn't just cover up the smell, it chemically eliminates it at the source. But that's not its only superpower. Baking soda is also what we call a hygroscopic substance. That's a fancy word that simply means it's really good at absorbing moisture from the air around it. Remember how we said bacteria love a damp environment? By pulling that moisture out of your shoes, the baking soda makes the inside a much less hospitable place for odor-causing bacteria to live and multiply. So you get a powerful 1-2 punch. It neutralizes existing odors and helps prevent new ones from forming by keeping things dry. It's a simple, yet brilliant, scientific fix. Alright, enough theory, let's get practical. I'm going to show you how to make your own reusable shoe deodorizing sachets. It's so easy, and you probably already have everything you need. You'll want some baking soda, a couple of standard coffee filters, the basket kind work great, and 2 rubber bands or pieces of string. That's it. First, take one of your coffee filters and open it up. We're going to fill this with our magic ingredient. You all want to add about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of baking soda into the center of the filter. You don't need to be super precise with the measurement. Just a good, generous scoop will do the trick. You want enough to effectively absorb the moisture and neutralize the odors. Once you have the baking soda inside, carefully gather the edges of the coffee filter together at the top, creating a little pouch or sachet. Twist the top to close it securely. The coffee filter paper is perfect for this because it's porous enough to let air circulate and allow the baking soda to do its job. But the weave is tight enough to keep the fine powder from spilling out and making a mess inside your shoes. Now take your rubber band and wrap it tightly around the twisted top of the sachet several times. You want to make sure it's completely sealed so no baking soda can escape. Give it a little shake to make sure it's secure. And there you have it, one DIY shoe deodorizer. Now just repeat the process with the second coffee filter to make a matching sachet for your other shoe. In just a couple of minutes, you've created a powerful, non-toxic, and incredibly affordable odor-fighting tool. So, what do you do with these little magic packets? It couldn't be simpler. When you take your shoes off at the end of the day, just pop 1 sachet inside each shoe. Push it all the way down towards the toe area, as that's often where moisture and odor can be the most concentrated. Then, just leave them be. For the best results, let the sachets work their magic overnight. While you're sleeping, the sodium bicarbonate will be busy neutralizing those acidic odors and absorbing all that excess moisture. When you wake up in the morning, just take the sachets out and you should immediately notice a significant difference. Your shoes will smell much fresher and feel drier. The best part is, these sachets are reusable. After a few uses, you might notice they're not as effective. That just means the baking soda has absorbed a lot of moisture and neutralized a lot of acid. Simply empty the old baking soda into the trash, refill your coffee filters with a fresh batch, and you're good to go again. It's a sustainable and budget-friendly way to keep your entire shoe collection smelling clean. So next time you're faced with stinky shoes, skip the expensive chemical sprays and give this simple science experiment a try. It's effective, it's cheap, and it actually solves the problem instead of just masking it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this hack and how it worked for you. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more life hacks and simple solutions. We'll see you in the next one.